Hey everyone! So we're really excited about this year's Bible plan, and one of the ways you can read through the Bible with us this year in 2018 is going to be the YouVersion Bible app. So we just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how you can get the app if you don't already have it, and then how you can find the plan that we're going to be using. So first, if you don't have the app, you'll go to the App Store if you have an iPhone, or Google Play if you have an Android. And so you'll start typing YouVersion, and it's the first one that pops up, on mine at least, and so it's YouVersion Bible app. And if you go down, it's this one right here, the second one. And so mine says update because I've actually already downloaded it. So yours would say get if you haven't already. So you'll just push that button, and it will download it for you. So once you have it downloaded, you go to the Bible app and you open it up. And what we're going to do is, so you have this home page that pops up, but for a Bible reading plan, you'll go down to this ribbon at the bottom, and there's a little icon that says plans. So you click that, and so your plans, your personal plans, pop up first. So I'm doing a plan for Christmas, so that's why that is there. So what you'll do is you'll go and you'll search, and you will type in the name of the plan we are using, which is Let's Read the Bible Together. So once you search that, all of these will pop up. And so there's a lot of them because we have one for each month. So there's 12 different ones, and we'll start with January. So you click January, and this one pops up, and it tells you a little bit about the plan, and you can click to start the plan. So you hit start, and you can either read by yourself, or if you want to read with friends, there's an option to do that as well. So we're just going to do by myself for now and keep it private. And then it pops up on your area for your personal plans. So when you click on it, it has the different days here on the bar that scrolls left to right, and you go through. And so the first day, you read Luke 1, Luke 2, and Daniel 1. So you'll click on it to open it, and you go to the scripture. So when you're done reading for that day, you click the next over here on the bottom left, and it automatically went to the next reading for that day, which is Luke 2. So when you get done reading Luke 2, you push the next arrow again, and it goes to Daniel for the last reading of the first day. And you click the check mark, and then you're done for the day. And it gives you a little check mark of excitement that you finished for the day, and then you can go on to the next day when it's time. The good thing about this is also if you miss a day, you can do multiple days to catch up. And it's really easy to use, and it's always there when you want to open it. So we hope this tutorial was helpful. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask us.